Hey, have you ever noticed that little blue cap right next to your diesel fuel tank? That's not just any cap, it's actually where diesel exhaust fluid goes. But what exactly is DEF? Let's break it down. So, DEF, or diesel exhaust fluid, is a clear, colorless liquid made up of 32.5% urea and 67.5% deionized water. It's not a fuel additive, meaning it doesn't go into the diesel tank. Instead, it's stored in a separate tank and injected into the exhaust system of modern diesel vehicles. Diesel engines emit nitrogen oxides, or NOx, which are harmful pollutants that contribute to smog and even respiratory problems. That's where DEF comes in. When injected into the exhaust system, DEF reacts with NOx in a process called Selective Catalytic Reduction, or SCR. The result? NOx is converted into nitrogen and water vapor, both completely harmless. So, here's how the system works in 3 steps. First, the engine burns diesel fuel, producing power and emissions too. Second, DEF is sprayed into the exhaust stream just before it reaches the SCR catalyst. And third, inside the SCR, DEF chemically converts those NOx gases into nitrogen and water. Running low on DEF? Don't ignore it. Most vehicles will give you plenty of warnings. But if you run out completely, the engine may reduce power, or honestly, it might not start at all, until you refill. Here are some quick tips. Store DEF in a cool, dry place because, extreme heat can really degrade it. Always use certified DEF with the API or ISO 22241 label. And never add water or mix in other fluids. It can actually damage your emission system. Diesel exhaust fluid might seem like a small thing, but honestly it plays a big role in cutting pollution and keeping your diesel engine compliant. So, next time you see that blue cap, you'll know. It's all about cleaner air and smarter engines.